Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, electronic stability control, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.